Hey, everybody, let's try to solve this traffic test. 60% failed the traffic test. In what order will the cars drive away in the situation shown in the figure? At an intersection, the drivers of the green and yellow cars turn left, while the blue car passes straight ahead. There are no traffic lights or any signs at the intersection. Thus, this unregulated intersection of equal significant roads should be passed according to the rule of obstruction on the right. But this does not apply to the driver of the blue car, although he does not have an obstacle on the right side, but he is driving from a yard of a residential building. When entering the road from residential areas, yards, parking areas, gas stations, and other adjacent areas, the driver shall give way to pedestrians and vehicles traveling on the roadway or sidewalk in front of the roadway or sidewalk, and when exiting the roadway, to bicyclists and pedestrians whose direction of travel he is crossing. I'll give you 1 minute to think about it and choose the correct answer. Therefore, in the depicted situation, the blue car will be the last to pass. Yellow and green cars are on equal sign roads. At the intersection of equal sign roads, the driver of a non-railway vehicle is obliged to give way to vehicles approaching from the right. Thus, the driver of the green car, who is an obstacle from the right side for the driver of the yellow car, has the advantage. And so correct answer number 4. And now, write in the comments whether you have managed to pass this test on the PDD. And be sure to give a like to this video and subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. Good luck to everyone and see you soon.